All right, so this is, you guys can see here, 5/21/18. This is for hands before tax for Hands Across Canada. Look at that. I'm dropping money for Hands Across Canada. So.
Ready now?
No, hold on. This is 5. This is 20.
Yeah. It's gonna be more though.
1 second.
No tax.
22.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you can feel free. Call your manager. Do what you like. There's the money. I refuse to pay the tax. I'm part of the Hands Across Canada Axe the Tax.
Okay. We need your tax exempt number.
That's great. No, I don't pledge allegiance to the monarch.
Okay, one moment.
That's fine. The money's there. I got proof. So I dropped the money. Have a great day. I don't need a receipt, nothing. I got, ma'am, I have management. I need management.